Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a frequent place on your XPeng navigation. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over, and here we have our navigation. We're gonna click on the gear icon right in the bottom left corner, and we want to scroll down until we see our frequent places. So we want to click on the gear icon next to it, and to delete it, we need to click on delete, click delete again, and it is gone. As you guys can see, there is no frequent place now, and that's what you guys can do. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.